Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining today. This is your host Nino, and in today's very brief video, I just would like to present you a mansion out of a lengthy carton box. I mean, such one gets into one's hands often enough when ordering all sorts of things. In my case, it was such a telephone receiver, which I needed for computer experiments. But in order to please my little kids, I decided to make a little sort of dollhouse for it. So what you can easily do if you have a scalpel or sharper knife by the hand is to cut out windows like these, just like cut ones here, cut ones there, then pierce through, cut up, cut through. And that way you do the one window. Here you can cut around for the door, and you can make two little cuts that way for the door handle. And yeah, that way you can do the windows. If you have time, you could also cut out little square parts in order to create such further windows. For the roof, well, basically one cut here, and one such vertical cut. And that way you're having a sort of open roof through which further light is coming, so that you can observe through the windows what the dolls will be doing inside. So that's really all there is about it. I'm going to present this to the kids, and I hope that they will be happy. And of course, I hope that your little ones might enjoy and profit from this idea too. So, thanks for watching. Hope to greet you here soon again. Have a great day, and from me, goodbye.